I want to give you an inside peek at my favorite retail space, Revivals. 4 store locations here in the Coachella Valley where you can relove the pre-loved. Everything from Cha-Cha shoes to China and everything in between. So we're going to take you on a tour through the store and really show you everything that's possible at Revivals. So let's go into the store and look around. I love shopping for clothing at Revivals because so many people give away practically brand new items. I mean, you can find great basic black stretch sweaters, which I buy every time I find. But what I really love to look for at Revivals are jackets. And so what I look for when I'm shopping for jackets, I'm trying to find something that has a brand. I'm looking for tags because it means it's never been worn. Brand new at resale prices, that's the first thing. Then I'm looking for fit. Of course, you can have anything tailored at your favorite tailor for just a few dollars. And so don't be afraid to buy something if it's a little bit large because you're gonna wanna make it your own anyway. So this particular jacket, it looks like it's reversible. So I can do it a leather on the outside or I could flip it around on a rainy day and have something that's a different fabric. This is a definite buy. I'm going to get this. It looks like it's $20. I have to have this. And of course, if you haven't worn it or been photographed in it, it's new to you and your friends, so buy it. So many people move here from all around the world and they donate their fashion from last season to raise money for DAP Health. Again, if you find like a Trina Turk or Will Styles or one of the local brands that we all love, but maybe can't afford, you can find it at Revivals at a fraction of the cost. Don't be afraid to cut it off and make a pair of shorts if that's what you want to do, because it's all about DIY style your way when you're shopping at Revivals. Okay, so we've got to talk about shirts. I mean, we live in the desert, right? And so you can dress it up, dress it down, but it's always hot here. I love to look for short sleeve shirts. I found this Scotch and soda item. I mean, these perfect palm trees, but they're not old palm trees, right? They're for young people. This brand new shirt, which still has the original price tag of $44, is $10. So you can find some really great values. Vintage t-shirts are probably the one thing I'm always looking for when I come to a thrift store. Whether you want to be all in on unicorns or you want to make a political statement that's personal to you, a thrift store is a great place to find a message tee that expresses your point of view at a really affordable price point. You can also find all kinds of swimwear when you're shopping at Revivals. You know, and again, don't be afraid to buy swimwear because yes, it's been used, but it's been used in chlorine. You can go home and wash it and sanitize it and make it your own. All of this is fabric that doesn't hold bacteria anyway. So don't be afraid to buy a great deal on swimwear when you're shopping at a thrift store. When you're shopping for resale furniture, what you're looking for is ESP, eye appeal, seat appeal, and price. And this chair, for me, fits all three because it's perfect as it is, it's completely in great shape, and it's got some design details like these nail heads and the great wood legs that make it a fantastic addition to any style of home. But I'm equally obsessed with this chaise, and I would absolutely take this down to Perez Road and have it updated in a more modern upholstery, possibly something bright like this yellow velvet sofa, so that I could use these two pieces together. Okay, can we talk about case goods? Case goods are so expensive when you buy them brand new, but they're not when you buy them at Revivals. And you can find some terrific styles that fit your personality at every price point. This particular cabinet is only $75. Now, I feel like it's a little bit dated, so I'm imagining completely sanding it down and changing it to a single color, but the shape and the quality is amazing. I am obsessed with the 70s and this very specific yellow that they used on case goods. I wouldn't change a thing about this. On the first Thursday and Friday of every month, Revivals does a 50% off resale clothing sale. On Thursdays, it's 50% off men's resale, and on Fridays, it's 50% off women's. And what you can see behind me is when the store opens, we've got a line. And so you want to come early, you want to look for your treasures, you want to find the price points that you want. And remember, it's a value because everything on our first Thursday and Friday sale of the month is 50% off. I've had an amazing time walking through the store and talking about all the reasons and ways that you can relove the pre-loved.